Okay, this is the Fall Guy replica build. Running driving truck, had it for a while, and started backfiring. So I need to do some body work down here. I'm gonna gut the interior, and we'll show you on this side here. Got a 6-inch lift to put on. Bed's gonna need a little bit of work, mostly back here. I may just leave it, Bondo, smooth it, paint it. Not going for a show truck. It's got new exhaust, duals, had headers. So you gotta do these cab corners here and patch some of that up. Got a Edelbrock Pro Flow multi-point fuel injection. Interior is probably going to get all painted in black, seat redone in black, carpet, door panels, all that good stuff. All this will get painted up. I've got the correct 4 headlight header panel there, radiator panel. There's the hood. Not sure if I'm going to keep this hood or not. There was a spot on it somewhere. Oh, right there. I think it's got a little Bondo in it. If I can find another hood. Here's the 350 I just pulled out. Tore down, I should say. I think I had it set and covered up. A little water got in it. But the crank spins nice. Had some pistons that were stuck. You probably can't see it, but you can see the cavitation. There's one of the heads there. Here's the other one. You can see where it had water. So that was the intake that was on it. So I've still got to pull the crank, clean all these parts up. It's going to get a full rebuild. Camshaft looks good. I didn't see any issues. Timing chain did have slack in it, but not sure why it was doing what it was doing. My garage is a makeshift carport. Got this table at Walmart. I like it. Should have put cardboard here, like there. Keep it clean. But anyway, here's all the pistons. So I kept them in order. 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. You missed that one. All right. Anyway, transmission and transfer case, they're in the storage trailer. They're going to go and get cleaned up, checked out, resealed, no more leaks. So when all this goes back together, everything's going to be nice and clean. This is just your basic 350 4-bolt main. Where does it say it? Right there. Where does it say it? There, 5.7 liter. There's some more numbers here. Casting numbers. All right. Not sure how long before it goes to the shop, but figured I'd do a quick video on that project.